Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Match.com application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, depending on whether you're using iOS or Android, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store on your device. Now, once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Match.com and start your search. Now, from the search results, once you find the Match.com application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Just tap on the install button and wait for a while until the installation is completed for the application. Now, once the installation is done, you will see the open button. So just tap on open and this will open up the Match.com application on your device. And then once it is opened, you can continue forward with signing up to create a new account or logging into your existing account to start using your Match.com application from your smartphone right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Match.com application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.